So to download the Anaconda, let's go to the anaconda.com/download. Now this Anaconda is available for all three major operating systems like Windows, Mac and Linux. The installation process of Windows and a Mac is quite similar. So it is having a graphical installer. You can just straight away double click on it and just as usual installation process you can follow. For the Linux, there is a one shell script sh file is available, executable. So you can just execute from your terminal and just follow the instruction. Okay, now I am on a Windows machine, so I am going to continue download it for the Windows machine, and it is available for two different versions like Python 3.7 and 2.7. Again, it is available for the 64-bit graphical installer or a command line installer. So I am going to continue with the Python 3x family of versions. So it's a 3.7 version and graphical installer. So 64-bit graphical installer. I'm not going to download it because I have already downloaded at my local machine. You can just click on it and you can download it. So let me just go to the place where I have downloaded. Okay, so you can see I have a Anaconda is available, which is close to around 647 MB. Let me just double click on it and it will start the installation. Okay, press next. So it's a usual Windows software installation process. I agree. You want to install just for you only. And what is the place you want to install? So let me just browse on it. Let me create one place, let's say on a C drive. Already one Anaconda version is already installed on my machine, so I'm going to create one more folder. Let's say Conda, and let me press OK. Let's just press next. Now it is saying that you want to register this Anaconda as your default Python 3.7. Yes. And there is a one more option like add Anaconda to my path variable. So once you select it, it will become a red and it is saying that it's not recommended, but I would highly suggest you to select this particular option so that your path variable get appended by the Anaconda's Python. So when you start the Python from the command line or from the terminal, automatically this Python path will be taken into consideration. Okay, after that just press install and it will start installation of Anaconda on your local machine. So it will take little time to get it installed. So I'm just fast forwarding my video till the installation got complete. Alright, so installation is almost completed. Let me just press next. And it is asking me to install the Microsoft VS Code, but it is not mandatory, so I'm just skipping it. And let me just unselect this both option and let's just press finish. Alright, so Anaconda installation has been completed. Virtual environment